Have you ever wondered how a vampire drinks blood? Well, in a cup, of course. They're not savages. But what kind of a cup does a vampire even use? Well, menstrual cups. I'm sorry for that disgusting PJ. I am Dr. Tanya, also known as Dr. Cutress, and today I'm here to tell you all about this tiny little revolution. So a menstrual cup is basically a tiny silicone, rather cute little cup that fits inside your vagina. So your uterus has a little exit hole called the cervix, and right underneath the cervix is your vagina, which is like a long tunnel. Inside the tunnel fits the cup, and since it sits right underneath the uterus, all the blood that comes out of the uterus gets straight in here. It gets collected in here, and then after you're done with, filling this up with all of your blood for your vampire friends, you can dump it in the toilet, rinse it, and put it right back inside. So it's like really reusable. You have to remember that if the hymen is something that is very important to you, you may tear your hymen a little bit when using a cup. The hymen is not a complete block at the entrance of your vagina. Your hymen already has holes in it, and this is how the period blood comes out every month. If your hymen were a complete block, all the period blood would get chopped up in there. And this is actually a medical condition called an imperforate hymen, where usually people come in with a vagina, a uterus, everything full of blood, and we have to make an incision or a cut into their hymen so that they can drain out all their period blood that they've been collecting over years. Because the hymen, if their hymen doesn't have holes, all the blood can't go out, and that is not fun. So your hymen already has holes in it, so it's safe to use. But if this is something of a real concern to you, you may want to skip this. But I hope you remember that virginity is a social construct, and you don't have to show your hymen to anybody to prove your virginity, or you don't have to prove your virginity to anybody, because that's bullshit.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.